So, Sarika, before you met me, right, before you decided to engage with me as your mentor, what were some of the challenges that you're facing in your career? First of all, can you just tell us, like, overall, how much experience do you have?
I come with more than 10 years experience in CSR sector. Like I worked on NGOs, I worked in corporates also. And before meeting you, like from 2017-18, I can say ki I was facing a problem of financial growth. I was getting job offers, but it was equivalent pay or less than that pay which I was getting. I was not getting financial growth as well as a positional growth. So
Right.
there I decided to join your program.
So your primary challenge was around growth, both in terms of roles, responsibilities, as well as in terms of financial growth, correct?
Financial, yes.
Okay.
And I was also not having clarity ki how to address that like a problem. Like what is the way I can develop my skills to go ahead in that career also. So
right. So like in terms of how you want to what to do next, what's your next career move, what's your where do you want to steer your career vision? You wanted clarity around that as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, wonderful. So Sarika, like after you completed the program, after you went through the 2 months iconic career mentorship program, which I understand that you went through a lot of transformation, starting with clarity. So what is your career vision for the next 3 years? Where do you see yourself?
I want to be a CSR leader. I want to lead a company which is having a pan-India CSR project implementations. And I'm happy I'm getting that roles nowadays.
Very good, very good. So you have a lot of clarity in terms of your vision right now, where you want to be 3 years, 5 years from now, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Now, apart from clarity, what are some of the changes, transformations, wins that you have had ever since you completed the program actually? Can you share some of them?
Yes. First of all, though, I get lot of confidence. Like initially, I was heading the implementation team, but I was doing the work and somebody else was presenting. So my management got that confidence. Now you have done that and you can present in front of client and we'll go ahead with you. So that decision making came to me indirectly and slowly. So I was happy ki they also see ki the confidence has been increased on the topics which I am talking about or working about. Secondly, during this program, with my work and the behavior change which they have seen, they have given me the bonus first time in 9 years of the company. So that was the biggest achievement, like performance bonus they gave to me. They've increased my salary by 30%. So
wonderful. Congratulations. I think that addressed your second problem, which was around financial growth, right? So you got a bonus as well as a hike in salary. Wonderful. What other changes and transformations?
And as you said, while joining the program, if you build your profile and you start connecting with right kind of people, you will get good job opportunities also. So almost every week I get a job offer and it gets converted into the actual interview and appointment letter. So there were 3-4 companies which were behind me to join their office on my terms and conditions. So yes.
So have you accepted any offer? Have you accepted any offer lately?
No, not yet.
Because you have some priorities, is it? Like personal priorities? Is that why?
Not personal priority, but wherever I am getting what I wanted to do, like a large scale implementations of these CSR projects, and I'm also waiting to let this lockdown get bit relaxed and I can travel. Yeah. So for that thing, I'm waiting.
You're just waiting, but opportunities.
Recently, I got an offer from Raymond CSR.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So opportunities are coming your way. You are not accepting it because of COVID and other reasons. You have some
Yes.
constraints around that. So it's just a matter of time. So I'm very happy to hear that.